Alrighty, so as you can see, I'm inside of the old 89 Wrangler. I've got the stereo out there, and look what I come across. Look at this rat's nest that somebody has conjured up trying to hook up a very simple aftermarket stereo. What the hell is wrong with people? Oh well, I'm gonna get this fixed. Okay, so I showed you that crap. Don't worry about the floorboard. That's just cat litter. That's another story. But anyway, I mean, who does something like this? Here's your speaker right here, right? It's got a decent speaker. It's got a Polk audio in there. So they're gonna run what, 8 inches of wire to some connectors here, and then change the type of wire. Man, amateurs, I'll tell you. Alright, hold on guys, it gets better. Look, here's this thing I showed you over here. Check it out. There's another one right there. What the hell were they doing? Crackheads, huh?